right, now I just seriously walked away 5 minutes ago.
Not even.
Because Scotty's getting that wrapped up.
I'm doing mock-up.
Mocking up.
So we know where everything is and how it's going to look. So
he came rather urgently to me.
So once this is on, it'll be like that. I mean, it's just so much. It really is. It's a big change. Now it's not falling off. And when I lifted it up,
oh, the pleather is peeling.
Yep. So I'll have to get some glue and some tape. It's still soft, but the glue is coming undone. So I'll get this re-glued and taped because you can't use pinchers because it'll leave an indent in the material. So I learned that lesson a long time ago on another one.
Long time ago.
Yeah. But we just wanted to keep you guys updated so you know what's going on. So it'll add another whatever, a couple of minutes, I think, hope, whatever. Get this glued and taped. So we can't put this on. So I want it to be all completely done on one side and then put it all together. So.
Yep, and then we could be like, before, after.
Yeah,
we
exactly.
could do a little something, something.
A little something, baby.
But there it is. It's coming along.
Okay.
Scotty's going to make this nice because it's deciding to fall apart on its own.
Yeah. Well, it's a magnificent car. It really is. I mean, it's in pristine condition.
But it's also 43 years old.
Exactly.
I mean, you're 55, and look at you. You're a falling apart mess.
Folks.
Uh-oh.
This might be my last video. Because if he starts saying, danger, Will Robinson, danger, I'm not the robot, I promise you. These are not the droids you're looking for.
So.
But yeah, it's just coming unglued.
You've been unglued for a while.
About the past 55 years.
That's right. All right, well.
I'll tell you. Well, just wanted to keep you guys updated, but that
is,
that just looks so nice.
delicious. Look
Yep.
at that together.
It is. It's absolutely beautiful.
A little bit of contrast. It's good. Yep. It's good. Beautiful.